friends, welcome to the garage. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and invite you to view, let's try it again. Hello friends, welcome to the garage. If today is your first visit in our channel, we want to welcome you and invite you to review our over 350 videos, as we are confident that you are going to find something both useful and entertaining. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and also press the notification bell so you will know every time we post a new video. If today is your birthday, we want to extend you a very happy birthday. If you remember, last week we did a temporary fix for our boot that had failed because we were waiting for a part to arrive, and we were advised that it was not going to arrive for a couple of more weeks at least. As fate has it, it arrived yesterday, so we have it, but we want to show you that the repair has held up very well. We have driven the car daily, right? Including some fairly long, for us at least, trips on highways and on streets that they were less than ideal, that had a lot of movement on the wheels because of potholes and such. And today we want to show you how well the repair has held. And also we are, I don't know if we decided or not, but we might keep it like this just for another week or until it fails, to see how long it will last. Again, the idea is for this to be a temporary repair, but it seems to be holding on impressively well. Would you say?
Yeah, so far. Mm-hmm.
And is the mic on?
Yes.
Okay. So let us show exactly how it looks after a week.
So here's the boot with the repair. It's still holding up very well. Haven't noticed any cracking or anything. Or leaking. Seems to be doing really, really well.
One of the things we didn't do a very good job last week, but we did fix that problem. It is not a problem, it was an oversight, is that the boot had two small holes in two other places, not related to the main failure. I think I know why it stopped.
Why?
I hadn't turned it on. Go ahead, continue, and we're going to... To show you now, we put the torch wrench for 80 foot-pounds, which is the correct setting for our car, and
this one didn't quite go, but
yeah, the first one is always.
Oh, we have to lower the car too.
Yeah. Okay. So don't do what we do. Only do what we say, right? Now on the ground. We apologize for that, and we are ready to torque. And as you can see, almost immediately we heard a click. There you go again. So even if that doesn't get you to the correct torque in your car, it will definitely speed your process up and will bring you very close, don't you think?
Yeah. Because like on the one where I hadn't quite gotten it all the way, it was just a couple of turns and it was...
Well, and that one is always the first one because...
as you tighten the other
yeah,
ones.
we put it to hold the wheel, and then as you tighten the other, the wheel moves very tight to the rotor and the assembly, and that is part of the problem. So that is a little tip we wanted to give you that will make things faster without risking over-torquing your wheel nuts. Alright folks, this is our short video for today. We want to make a couple of disclaimers. This repair is not a permanent fix, and we say do it at your own risk. And if you do it, right? Do it. We were checking the wheel daily. And after its drive, we'll just stop and check it to make sure that this was not failing. Mm-hmm. So it is definitely, in our opinion, a very viable way to get you home if you are somewhere, or to buy you time for a part to arrive, or to hold you over if you simply don't have the money to make the repair and you need a couple of weeks to get more money, right? We do not advocate this as a permanent fix for your car. I'm dirty.
That's what happens.
But we feel very strongly it is a very viable temporary solution. What do you think?
I do, just again keeping in mind the dry time for the silicone so it will set properly.
Well, yeah, and probably if we have another chance, I think I want to use the Flex Seal product. This time we didn't. I'm not sure why, but we use silicone. And the reason we use silicone is because we know silicone is pliable, so the movement of the boot will not make it fail, right?
That was our hope, yeah.
It has some give. And even though this was just an idea we had, and this was the first time we did it, the fact that it lasted a week and it looks like with absolutely no damage to it, right?
Right.
To me, speaks volumes, right?
Right.
So if when it fails, or in a week, or whenever we decide, we now do have the part, and we will show you how to install a universal boot into a car. And I use a universal a little bit with a grain of salt, because the first universal boot we ordered came and it says, oh, it's universal for Volkswagen. So it's like,
Right.
nowhere it said that when I ordered it. And sure enough, it was not the right for our car. This one definitely seems to be the right for this car, right? And we're going to show it to you if this fails in 2 or 3 weeks, or whenever the opportunity arrives for us to do this repair permanently. We do hope you do enjoy this episode. I again want to give you a disclaimer about safety. We didn't show it to you this time, but like last time, we did put the car on stands. We did not depend on the hydraulic jack. It is very important when you do anything that will put your body or limbs in dangers to have the car very well supported. We have had hydraulic jacks, I won't say fail, but deflate. What is the right term?
Yeah.
We had the track up on, in fact, this same jack, if I'm not mistaken. And we went to the store to buy a part, only to come back and find out that the rotor was on the ground holding the track up.
Right.
This had completely. It didn't leak oil or anything. It didn't fail. We just jacked it up again and it was good to go, right? And then we have other times that we've left it for hours and nothing happened. But the fact is that from experience we know that sometimes these jacks will compress slowly, and a lot of times you're under a car and you don't really pay attention to the time, and all of a sudden you have a car pressing on you, and if you're by yourself, I mean, if someone is there to call you, can call someone and they can jack it up quickly. But if you're by yourself, it's very dangerous. And our practice here is that no one works in a car by themselves, right? It is, I mean, we're not a garage, but we have rules of how we do things. And the reason is exactly that, is safety. I mean, a lot of things, like this boot repair, definitely can be done by one person. And of course we needed 2 people because we're filming, but even if we're not filming, both of us would have been out here, right? Because you need a safety person. Do not take safety lightly when it comes to car repair or anything else for that matter. In any case, we are happy about this repair. What are your thoughts?
So far, yes.
And we are going to tell you if something changes. From the Garage Wizard and Elpida, and also the Urban Homesteading channel, we hope you enjoyed this very short episode, and we're going to see you on the weekend with another project. We want to bid you a great week.